Today is the 26th of October 2022.
Asuntosykeyhtiö Helsingin Tallinhovi.
What was the address again? Taimistontie?
Yeah, for C. Yeah.
For C?
Yes.
Well, we were in C, but there's small letter A in C.
Yeah.
But this is the without it. It's C without it.
Yeah, small C on.
Small C?
Yeah.
So strange.
Yeah.
It says Pitäjänmäki, Sukkenbakka, Helsinki is for Finland. The adjacent tag is small letter A and C. They're going to replace it soon.
Yeah.
On the 7th of November, but here's the original.
Mm.
We also filmed that one too. This was built in 1998. Would have been 25 years old. The next year it was 2023. But Bobby is not getting replaced right now. The serial number is 55633 and the capacity is 4 persons or 305 grams. This has 2 rides. I love the sounds in here.
Yeah, same here. Niissä tiedät kiva iskuttaa, että meidän tentpaikka on. Niin.
Well, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll look into the B and A.
Yeah.
The small letter A part as soon as possible.
That's